Does your juggling look like this? I've never done that before. And Kendama? I just hit something I shouldn't have. I love skill games. I love skill toys, juggling or kendama or contact juggling, butterfly knife.
I have many skills.
I like that there's tutorials out there, but I don't like a lot of the tutorials that are out there. A lot of the time you'll get a brief explanation of what the mechanics are. Just enough that you'll understand what it is that you need to do, but then in terms of troubleshooting, common obstacles, common mistakes, that's typically not there. The tutorials that I see out there give the same information, or sometimes information that's pertinent to one trick is buried somewhere else for another trick. I don't like that. I can't learn like that. If you're making a video tutorial, I mean, make it as comprehensive as possible. That's where I'm coming from with this. Like, I visit the subreddits and stuff, and I see a lot of people who are always like, I don't know how to get past this. And what I figured is, why not? Why not do it? What I want to do, and this is why the name of the channel is Beyond 3 Minutes, I want to go beyond the 3 minutes. I want to go... My dog is just coming. Basically, I want to document the learning process. Just go through what are the common mistakes. When I run into them, now what? I want to share that with people. I want to go, in the truest sense of the word, beyond the 3-minute tutorial. I want to do something more profound than that. You might be wondering why juggling and kendama aren't those kind of niche. Yes. I don't know that I've seen a lot of people talk about how connected they are. As an example, I don't think I would have gotten my head around the airplane on the kendama if it hadn't been for concepts in juggling, actually. And just so we're clear, I'm not a pro, okay? I am barely a beginner, and that's exactly the point. On juggling, I can do the 3-ball cascade, 2-in-1 a little bit, and I'm working towards the overhand and putting it together with the cascade. As you can see, I meant what I said earlier. My cascades and stuff aren't so bad, but they definitely could use some improvement. Kendama, progress is kind of everywhere. I can do cups easy, I can do spikes easy. I have the basics down. We will be doing primarily juggling and kendama because that's what I'm pursuing right now, but probably we'll throw other things in there too, okay? Because honestly, it's only a matter of time before I want to add in something anyway. So, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye! Are you finished?